Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning. It's so sunny. At last, the sun showed up. It's been raining for about 3 days. Last night it rained, and today, look how beautiful the day. And I'm here, guys, heading to my garden. I'm going to pick some cilantro, because I will bake some chicken. Grill some chicken. So, and I'm using cilantro. So I'm here, guys. Cilantro will grow in the cold weather, and I get in here in my plant. Actually, guys, this is it's just coming back. The seeds will sprout. So I didn't plant any more cilantro. I just wait for them to sprout, to germinate. So I'm here, guys. See, there's a lot of cilantro. This is cilantro, and I get some spinach. The big leaves. That's a spinach, guys. See, ano yan, yung alugbati sa atin. So I'm going to pick some cilantro. Look at that, how pretty it is. See, and this, guys, this is really good for the rice too. Cilantro lime rice, it is so good. So probably I'm going to make some too. But for right now, I'm making some grilled chicken with cilantro. So I got to be careful, because some snake is hiding, guys. You know, I already saw one. So be careful, Ana. Ayan. Tama na siguro ito. I don't want to put a lot, because my husband don't like too much cilantro. So, and oh, I found something is ripe. Look at that. My Gucci berry. Isa lang. Pahinugin ko rin. Akala ko, guys, I think, guys, what I was thinking is the Gucci berry is a little big, but I was wrong. It's so tiny, guys. I can even barely see. And that's it, guys. That's all I need here in the garden. See how cool it is, guys. If you have some garden, you don't need to have a big garden. It's just a small one. It's just a tiny bit of space in your yard, and then if you need something, you can just pick it up. You don't need to buy all the time. And I'm here. Oh, I'm going to pick this one. It's ready for picking, guys. Look. Oh, I will try this, guys. I never tried the row in this one. I tried the what is the dried one. I'm going to try this one. It's pretty, isn't it? Yeah. I don't know. Yan. Dami ng bulaklak, guys. Ito ready na siguro ito. Dami rin. I will wash this one, guys, before I eat it. So I try to make it sure I get my camera, so that if I saw something, I don't need to run back and get my camera. You know. Ayan, guys. Unti-unti nang namamatay yung plants. Kasi maginaw na, guys. Maginaw na. Hindi na nagpakita yung the snake will not show up anymore. Hindi na nagpakita siya. Ewan ko lang. Hindi, wala na. Hindi na nagpakita yung ahas. So, baka natakot sa akin. Natakot sa tao. Baka akala niya kakainin ko siya. I have some tomatoes in here. I got to be careful because I saw the snake on that area. The snake run on that area. So I got to be careful. So yung leaves, guys, it's a sign that it's fall time. Yung tomatis malaki. Purple. Oh, ang laki ah. Akalain mo. Wala na siya, guys. Natakot yung snake sa akin. Sabi ng snake, "You're not afraid of the snake. So I got to run with you." Ayan na, guys. Oh, may raspberry tayo dito, guys. Ayan, namamatay na yung passion fruit. Unti-unti nang namamatay. I don't know if I make some lemon rice or a lime rice. I don't know. But I don't have them. I don't have any lime, so. But I have a few lemon. Ayan. Daming raspberry na hinog, guys. So. Pero busy kasi ako. Baka tomorrow. Dito, guys, may bird nest dito. Kaya siguro yung snake doon. Ayan. See, may bird nest. Hinahayaan ko kasi dyan, guys, kasi yung bird, dyan sila nagtatago. Tsaka yung rabbit, one time, guys, I cleaned my garden. Oh my God, I was so scared because when I tried to fall all the leaves, it start moving, and when I saw it's like 4 baby rabbits. So I was so sad about it because I didn't see them because they're really hiding under the leaves, and I tried to pull everything, and then but they didn't get hurt, guys. They ran away, but the rabbits in here it's like crazy, a lot. You can see rabbit and squirrel together. So, and my new collection, guys, it's a pear tree. That's a pear. I think it's, what's that? Peral Orient pear. I need to get another one on this, guys, because this one is need a pollinator. So that means it will not produce any fruits without another variety. So I need to get another one. But the one that they sell, it don't look good. So I just wait. Maybe one day if I can come back in there, if they have a new one, another variety, then I can get one. And I have some lemongrass in there. Maybe we'll make some lemongrass tea, guys, to take to work. Lemongrass and ginger. So yeah, maybe to go with my cilantro grilled chicken. Dami ng damo, guys. Oh, hindi na kasi ako nakapunta masyado, guys, ng garden. Busy na ako sa trabaho. At masyado na kasing lumalaki, guys. Dami ng tanom. Kaya hindi ko lahat malilinis. Kaya yung ginagawa ko guys, ano na, nilagyan ko ng gravel yung iba, yung bago kong gawang garden spot. Yung dahon ng kamuti ko guys, kinakain ng rabbit. Masaya yung animals dito guys kasi hinahayaan ko sila. I don't really bother them. When I come to my garden, they just go in there, and even I was in there, they don't really run. They're happy about it, so just let them enjoy. You got to share. They have lives too, so they need to eat, right? So that will be it, guys. That's my garden. Up there, my garden. Full-time season. And my ginger still in there. I need to bring that inside. And my turmeric. And I got some bamboo. I need to put that one day when I have a free time. I still need to find spot for my bamboo. Ayan na guys, meron pa rin tayong flowers. Flowers full time. Laya, wala na. Flowers, panaka-naka. Ayan, yung manok ko guys, okay. The flower is, it get bad because it's been raining for a while. For 5 days, so the flower, this one, hopefully by next week I still get some more flowers. The front side, it's so pretty. Look at the leaves in the front. I still have my roses still flowering even it is so cold. Ayan, see, look at the leaves in the front guys. Ayan, paubos na yung dahon ng kahoy. Harap ng bahay guys, malayo-layo din.